Oh, yeah, people, I'm on top of the lawnmower just so you guys can see this.
Here is the main predicament this morning. Check this out. So, got the time cutter out here. Ooh, let's look at that. I gotta say, when my mower gets this dirty and I look at other friends of mine in the community like Aiden, bro, how do you keep your time cutter so freaking clean? I wanna know the secret because, oh man, it's mint every time I look at it. Anyway, check out this track. This is actually part of a new collaboration I'm working on with the Toro folks. Business management software for lawn cutting businesses, fertility businesses, you name it, right? It's basically a way to track so you can be more efficient. I'll explain more when the actual video comes out, but the predicament I'm in right now is trying to figure out where in the heck do I mount this thing, because I lost the instructions when I cleaned the garage out in the last vlog, so I figured, you know what, let's do a little vlog today. We've been doing a lot of these lately, and I've been having a lot of fun with them, so I got 2 lawns I gotta go cut right now. Let's go ahead and get that done. All right. Here we are, first lawn of the day. Some of you OGs who've been around for a while may remember this particular lawn right here. This has been in so many of my earlier vlogs in my first couple of years on YouTube, such as this one.
I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it.
Crazy how time flies, right? Anyway, I still got this lawn, and check out these leftover stripes right here from last week. That's inspired by my buddy Lawn Force. Such a cool guy, man. One of the things he taught me to avoid mowing burnout, if you will, is just to vary up the patterns a little bit. Stop with the straight lines, if you will. We actually did a little back and forth on Instagram stories. People, today my lawn is looking sick. Look at that. We got curved stripes going on the corner lot over here. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to try and mimic my boy Lawn Force. I know he could do it better than me. Speaking of which, I'm tagging Lawn Force right here. Dude, please react to these. I want your reaction. We got a little curve going here at one of my clients' houses. Please react. I think this will be a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah, people, I'm on top of the lawnmower just so you guys can see this. Jake. Oh, man, look at that. Wow! Jake, show me what you got, man. This is what I got. What about you?
It was so funny. Now that I got my new trimmer that I teased last week, gotta take care of all these crack weeds right here. That's really bad. I've been putting that off for a while because I haven't had a good trimmer, but now I do, so no more excuses. We're gonna get this done today. All right, cool, let's do it. Alright, what's up everybody? It's the next day. Sorry if I left it hanging there. Camera died on me, so I wasn't able to film everything, but what did you think of those stripes? The new trimmer right there with the edger attachment. Very psyched about that. Gonna be doing a review on that very soon. As you guys remember at the beginning of this video, I said I had to put a tracking device on the mower. So what I did is I sent out a request for help about this particular software and the tracker and all that stuff, and they were like, mount it wherever you want. So check this out, it's pretty cool. Put it right here, right by the caster. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there, but this is what I did for now. Took a bunch of bungees and bungeed it up. That's okay to do. Put it wherever you want as long as it's facing up, so you get that radar signal and then runs up. all I could say is I'm really excited about what I get to share with you guys, especially as a young business owner. I know that this channel is primarily DIY lawn tips, but at the same time, I like to diversify a little bit and show you guys my business and how these partners of mine want to help me grow it. So couldn't be more grateful for that. I'll see you in the next one. Later.